Okay, my dear sons and daughters, a new episode in phonetics, the schwa sound. The schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English. It is pronounced uh. If we master pronouncing it, we will sound like a native speaker, and we will have fluency and accuracy at the same time. Here are the most common words contain the schwa sound. Yes, slide number 2. Consider, consider, consideration, consideration, community, community, pilot, pilot, polite, polite, status, status, census, census, maximum, maximum, minimum, minimum, contribute, contribute, common, common, continue, continue, familiar, familiar, political, political. Move to the next slide. Yes, suggest, suggest, suggestion, opinion, complete, complete, carrot, carrot, effort, effort, success, success, successful, successful, contain, contain, compare, compare, ceremony, ceremony, fanatic, fanatic, pinana, pinana, listen, listen, method, method, congratulate, congratulate, congratulation, congratulate, congratulation, connect, 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 not connect, connect, connect. Move to the last slide. Yes, connection, connection, America, America, American, American, carefully, carefully, forget, forget, medium, medium, suppose, suppose, concern, concern, complain, complain, produce, produce, support, support, virus, virus, like coronavirus, particular, 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 provide, provide, information, information, tomato, tomato, tonight, tonight, machine. Yes, we have just read the most common words contain that important sound, which is the schwa sound in English. Goodbye.